Congratulations on your victory, Ketchuck. Articulate as always.
Yeah, like your salad.
Try replacing your flesh diet with my new non-aggression diet.
That's wonderful. Do these come in raspberry? So now what do we do? Yeah. Whenever some tomato messes up, they always call on Ketchuck. Exactly what are we questing after?
Ah, yes. There's a smart little kid, a beautiful girl who used to be a tomato, a fuzzy little tomato, a mad, strike that, an angry scientist, and his Malibu henchman.
That don't sound so bad.
Oh, yes, and maybe a few tomato worms.
That sounds bad. B50 human. I smell something. Rotten humans?
It's you. I told you to take a bath.
You know how I hate water.
Oh, first.
What do you mean, me first? Why do I always have to be first?
Because I'm smarter than you are.
Oh. Well, in that case... Hey, I'm not... Whatever you said. I'm right on, Mamado. This is another fine mess Sultan's gotten us into. Yeah, fertilizer. The last one in's a rotten tomato. It's even worse than that. Zoltan's got a new tomato gang. And the real killer. The Tomato Task Force. Just what we need.